Alright guys, welcome back. It's been a while since I last seen you. Almost a month. First of all, let me apologize for not being as active. I promise you there'll be more heat coming your way. But I took a month off, guys, from social media, from YouTube, from this whole jungle we call the internet. And it's the best decision I've ever made. Feel more energized now. But we'll talk about it more in this video. But today, guys, I wanted to show you, give you guys a little update, give you guys an update on my new trading setup and on life in general. So with that being said, let me show you guys the new setup. Alright guys, so this here is the new setup. As you can see, it's far away from everything, from all the distractions out there. There's nothing here in this room, just this, and the treadmill behind me. Now here, guys, we get to do the work, we get to do the analysis. Currently in a position as we speak, a lot of mayhem happening with Reddit stocks, guys. So there's a lot of opportunities in regards to short squeezes. So obviously this is the new broker that I'm using, guys. Everything is new since I last seen you. So we've got basically this mouse. It's a Logitech, I believe, real steel, and we've got this. If you click it, it changes color, guys. Start making all these weird rainbow signs and whatnot. So let's see, let's click this one. I don't know if you can see it. Hold on. See how it changes. See how it changes. So the stock market, guys, has been basically, all-time high currently. This is a season where the travel industry is being awaited for results, to see new movements in the market. So I believe, obviously, the last 6 months, guys, the internet, everything was like a jungle. The stock market itself was like a jungle. So we might see some developments in that regard in the winter one more time. At the moment, the summer is here. Obviously, you see everything is just running flat and sideways. There isn't much movement. But I think after the summer, you're going to see some major developments in the markets. And that's why I took a break, guys, so I can get ready for this. And I think everybody's going to benefit from this, if you're obviously still in the trenches working. So it's been a productive day. Time to get some lunch. I'll see you guys in a minute. Maybe I'll show you guys a little bit of my city. But that's it for today. Let's jump in. On the way now, guys, to get some lunch. We've done a lot. So I recently came back from holidays. Obviously, I spent a month off this platform, guys, called YouTube, and social media in general. I've been kind of getting my energy back. The last couple of months, the internet was like a jungle, like I said before, guys. Too much information is bad information. Everything's being thrown at you in one place. And there's just too much noise, really. It just does affect you productivity-wise. Best thing to do is just block it off. So recently came back, guys, from abroad. Went back to where I was living before, and basically I lost almost 400,000 since coming back. Not lose. Obviously I had a tax bill to pay, guys, and yeah, 400,000, almost $500,000 spent. Now that, guys, it hurts. But at the same time, it motivates you because it makes you want to go out there and make more. I mean, that's you contributing to society. But at the same time, you're contributing to yourself by working extra hard. And, having a tax bill like this is exciting, obviously. And I wish everybody will get to that stage one day. So, going forward this summer, you're going to see a lot of slow movement till obviously the spring, October, September. You're gonna see the markets coming back again to life, just like they were back in the winter time. Guys, in the winter of 2021, okay, was it 2020? No, 2020, and obviously the first 3 months of 2021, the market, or just everybody, was just like going crazy, wanting to make money somehow, or wanted to try their luck. And they obviously ended up with these markets, stock markets, forex, cryptocurrencies. And little do they know, obviously now they know that it wasn't for everybody, right? Everybody that came in, wanted to try their luck, has been wiped out. And everybody that came in, wanted a career out of this, is still here. Because look, the lessons have been learned for a lot of people. right? And this is nothing new. It happens every time the markets are hot. You know, a bunch of people come in and a bunch go out, just because not everybody really understands what they're getting themselves into. So if you're that person, first of all, look at it from a different perspective. You've learned a lot. Even the good and bad lessons are still lessons, guys. Good and bad lessons are still lessons. They still contribute to your progress. So take it on the chin, go again, or obviously if it's not for you, it's not for you. Because look, this entrepreneurship side, it's not for everybody. Everybody claims to be wanting success. Everybody claims to want success and money. Yet, just look at how everybody behaves. Not everybody behaves the same way, guys. Alright? The first chance you get of gossiping about success and entrepreneurship, you start gossiping. The first chance somebody gets to diss success, they will diss it. And obviously they'll talk you out of it and all this other bullshit that you get to see nowadays on the internet. And that's why, guys, entrepreneurship, success isn't for puss. Alright? If you're a puss, you're not going nowhere. Don't even bother trying. That's the reality, guys. So, it's lunchtime. Decided to go for something more fishy today. Got some cod. Now, it doesn't matter how much money you make, guys. If something tastes good, you don't have to go outside in restaurants to just try at your kind of wage. No, matter of fact, guys, most of the time I eat outside, right? Just like today. Sometimes I eat in the car, sometimes I eat outside. But obviously, you gotta try to eat healthy. I know you guys are tasting this right through the screen. It is nice. So today I don't feel like going to the gym, so I have this treadmill here. It's a walking pad, and also it's right behind the workstation. So what I'm doing here on this phone is, obviously now I don't need to trade, but I'm looking for opportunities. This is the Monopoly School. A lot of you guys are familiar with my chat room. I've introduced quadruple the information that used to be there by introducing trading mentors. And obviously these guys send out alerts throughout the day, guys. Send out plays, support levels, resistance levels, which help out in your trading. And also, obviously, guys, it also helps me out because I don't get to sit on the computer. I can just look at the alert and jump right over here and make the trade. Now, this here is my broker. A lot of you would be asking what broker this is. This is Colmex Pro. I've been using this for a while now, guys. Do your own research on brokers, always. But I like it because it has level 2s. It shows me who's buying, who's selling. And obviously, this is the trading watch list. And we get to make trades here. Now, if I see an opportunity, I will take it. But this is the life of a trader, guys. Don't expect lavishness. Don't expect bells and whistles. It is a boring life to some people. But to me, this is enjoyable because to me, this is fun. I have nothing else to do, guys. Pick a hobby that pays, I guess. But if you do this because of money, it's gonna be stressful. If you do this because you're secure financially and you just want something to do, then it's gonna be enjoyable. So, that's me done, guys. I'll see you soon on YouTube for some more heat. I just thought I'd give you guys a little update, show you what's happening, show you what's going on in my life, and show you the new trading setup. But let me know what videos you miss, and I'll come back to update you guys with those videos, and hopefully you take something out of these videos, as always. Peace and love, and I'll see you next time, and as always, don't forget that smashy smashy. Peace.